we are working with arrays, but inbuilt in the Python, we don't have the chance to create two-dimensional or multi-dimensional arrays. So we are installing a new library that is NumPy, numerical Python. So this NumPy is treated as alternative to our MATLAB. This has the functionality to perform the tasks that is what being performed by our MATLAB whenever we are working with the Fourier transform or linear algebra, machine learning algorithms or deep learning algorithms in artificial intelligence. We can use it. So here you observe, already you know the first line. I am importing all the functions from the NumPy. If I do not use this, okay, let's start. So I have installed already NumPy. That's why only. Otherwise, when I say import NumPy, it will show some error. First, we have to install it. Okay, import NumPy, and I am saying NumPy dot array. I have assigned values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this array. When we are using the NumPy, there is no need to mention the data type of the values in the array which we used previously. In the previous case, we used to mention array.array comma I. We used to tell what is the data type, signed int, unsigned int, Unicode, like that. Now we are directly mentioning the values only. We are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The values are printed. But I'm not interested to use this NumPy big name. So we can use NumPy as n. So now I can assign the values to this array by using n.array. This n.array. We will check what are the different options that are being supported by NumPy. I am saying n dot. See, you can concatenate or append. NumPy is supporting many functionalities. I am fastly scrolling the different functionalities. A range, we will discuss this A range, and many functionalities bitwise, and also many functionalities. Fastly I am scrolling. So there are huge number of functionalities that are being supported by the NumPy. Okay, I am not at all interested even to use this n.array also. I want to use only array. That is possible. So this time we are saying from NumPy import all functions, import all. For all I am writing start. So there is no need to use NumPy.array or a.array. Simply we can assign the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to that array. So I am printing now. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are printed. What if I give a floating value 1.1? Now I have given 1.1. See the result. All the elements in the array, 1.1, the second element, third element, fourth element, and fifth element, all the elements in array, they are converted into float. This is implicit conversion because we have not done this conversion. We are expecting only the first element to be float, but already we know this is the property of an array. It will accept all the elements of same data type. Because we have changed the data type of one element, it is thinking that all the remaining elements may also belong to float. That's why all the elements are printed in the float. Now I am telling to the IDE, don't worry, by mistakenly I may enter the float in the array, but consider all elements as integer. Explicitly I am mentioning. So now all elements are printed as integers. We can check the data type of the elements in the array. That is possible by checking what is the a dot data type of elements. See, when we write what is the data type of A, then it will show it is an array. We are printing this. It is numpy.end array. Okay, but we want to know what are the values in that array, whether they are belonging to the integer data type or character data type. For that, I am mentioning a dot, what is the data type of the elements in the array? What are the data types of, what is the data type of elements in the array? So I have mentioned. Now we have given what is the data type of individual elements in the array. We are checking each and every element in this array is an integer that is allocated with 32-bit memory space. Okay, now if I am changing it to 1.1, now we will execute. Now each and every element in this array is a float type with allocated with 64-bit data memory location. This is how we can create array. We can create an array by using the NumPy, and also we can check whether if any element in the array is a float, then we can convert all the elements in the array to our requirement. We can convert all the elements in the array to the integer by simply giving comma int.